Today on the Racing Life, we're heading out to cash at the creek. So Cash at the Creek is the Minnesota's premier no-time drag racing event. They've got small tire, large tire, and street classes. They've also got a test and tune event going on out there if you want to bring your car out for that. But it's a unique experience out there because they allow you to get super close access to all the action. By far one of my favorite events. The event goes on 3 times a year. From where we live, it's about an hour and a half, hour and 45-minute drive. So we're going to be on the road for quite a while. We'll capture some of the scenes and things as we go up to as we cruise through all the cities. It's literally the middle of nowhere. We will be driving a little bit of freeway, then mostly country back roads. It's actually kind of fun. I enjoy it. It just reminds me of home, you know. We're heading out there a few hours early just to get some good video and some footage for you guys. So we will see you at the track. Jen, tell everybody what you're doing with the big stick.
I'm trying to scare a big garter snake out of my garden so it doesn't eat my koi and goldfish.
Yeah, Jen's got a very elaborate koi fish pond here that we're going to be doing a huge koi fish addition. I don't know. I guess she just doesn't have enough to do. But, you know, as we came out here this morning and sunning on the rocks back there was a big giant gardener snake. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but maybe someday we'll get you guys an underwater shot of all the fish because I have the technology. So that's what they're doing right now. So we're supposed to be leaving, going to this race, and she's out here trying to whack a snake with a stick. What the heck? I told her leave the snake alone. It eats varmints, but I guess it also it will eat fish. They swim good.
No!